If p of x is equals x cube minus 3, then find the values of p of minus 3 and p of 2. Practice it. Now you can observe. First, in x place you can take minus 3. This minus 3 you can substitute here. You can get some value. And after then you can take x is equals 2. Again in x place you can take the value 2. Here you can substitute. You can get some value. That you can practice it. What is the relation between the coefficients in general quadratic polynomial and sum of the zeros? We know the quadratic polynomial standard form. Standard form of quadratic polynomial. P of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. But what he asks, relation with the coefficients, x square coefficient. Here we can write a, x coefficient is b, constant is c. Now sum of the zeros, what we need? Sum of the zeros is equals to minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. This is the formula relation. Sum of the first zero is alpha, the second zero is beta. Here sum means addition. Here minus x coefficient, before x what is the number? B, by x square coefficient. X square coefficient is a. This is the relation. Sum of the zeros is equals minus b by a. If p of x is equals x to the power of 4 plus 1, then find p of 2 minus p of minus 2. Practice it. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Here two zeros given. Now should observe solution is the first zero is alpha is equals to 2 plus root 3. The second zero beta 2 minus root 3. Now we know that if alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, then x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. This is the formula. X square minus alpha. What is the first one? Alpha 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 plus beta 2 minus root 3. X plus alpha 2 plus root 3 into beta 2 minus root 3. X square minus plus root 3 minus root 3. Both are cancelled. 2 plus 2, 4. X plus a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equals x square minus 4x plus 4 minus square root, both are cancelled, we got 3 is equals x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3 is equals 1. This is the required quadratic polynomial. Give any two examples for quadratic polynomials which are not having real zeros. Standard form. First, what can you write? Standard form of a quadratic polynomial is p of x is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. Two examples. Examples 1. Standard form. You can take constant. 3 is a constant. B. No real zeros means B constant you have to take at least 102. Big number. Here you can take small. We can't get any factors. Second example. 2x square plus 202x plus 3. This also we can't get any zeros. Should remember. Write a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 plus root 3 plus 5 minus root 3. Practice it. Previous sum we have done 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus. Like that only you can practice this sum. The first 0 alpha is equal 5 plus root 3 and the second 0 5 minus root 3 alpha beta. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. To find the quadratic polynomial with the help of the given two zeros, should substitute in the formula. You can get the answer. Verify the relation between zeros and coefficients of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 4. Relation between coefficient and zeros. First, zeros we can find given p of x is equals to x square minus 4. To find zeros, p of this polynomial becomes to 0. X square minus 4 is equal 0. X is equals minus becomes to minus 4 becomes to plus 4. X is equals 4. Square becomes to root. X is equals plus or minus 2. We got two values of x. One is plus 2 and other is minus 2. Now two zeros means the first 0 is alpha. The second 0 is beta. One is plus and other is minus. Two zeros we got. And one more important point here. Coefficients. Now p of x is equals to x square minus 4. We can write like this. X square, there is no x, plus 0 into x minus 4. Compare with above polynomial a value. Here x square coefficient 1, a is equals 1, b is equals 0, c is equals minus 4. These are the coefficients. These are the zeros, these are the coefficient. We have to show the relationship. Now, sum of the zeros. What is the formula? Minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. Sum of the 0. Alpha is the first 0, beta is the second 0. Minus x coefficient. X coefficient is 0, which means minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is equals minus b value 0, a value 1. Alpha is the first 0, 2. Beta is minus 2 is equals minus 0 means we should not take the positive and negative of the any 0. 2 minus 2 is equal 0 is equals to 0. Yes, we proved. These two are equal. This is the relation of the coefficients and zeros. Next, product of the zeros. Product of the zeros is equals to constant by x square coefficient. This is the formula. Product of the zeros is equals constant by x squared coefficient. Now, product means the first 0 and second 0. Product means into alpha into beta is equals constant c x square coefficient a, alpha plus 2 into beta minus 2 into c value minus 4 by a value 1 plus into minus 2 into 2 4 is equals minus 4 by 1 minus 4. Yes, here also equal.